ikabit ang seatbelts upang maiwasan masaktan sa biglang paghinto ng aeroplano. Maaari lamang kunin ang mga gamit kapag ang aeroplano ay ganap na nakahinto. Sa ngalan ng Philippine Airlines, kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa inyong pagtangkilik. Kinaasahan namin na may tayong magkikita. Maraming salamat po. Ladies and gentlemen, Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Jakarta. The local time is 20 minutes past the hour of 12 of May 25, 2014. Remain seated with your seatbelt fastened aside in the application of the brakes may cause you to fall. Do not remove your items from the overhead bins until the aircraft has come to a full stop. During disembarkation, take precaution with retrieving your items from the overhead bins, as this may have shifted during the flight. On behalf of Captain Noswell Tihana, First Officer Janicio Guillermo Jr., and the entire crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines to home in the sky. Mabuhay, maraming salamat po. For more information, you may find our best fares and latest promotions on our website, www.philippineairlines.com. Please be reminded that voice calls are permitted only after the doors have been opened. However, if you have cellular phones within range, you may continue with these advanced capabilities on board. Thank you for your cooperation.